Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Amjad Ali, and in this video I will explain some basic tips for making impressive presentations. Those are beautiful, effective and convincing. Let me first introduce you the concept of infographics. If we type this word infographics in Google, then open Wikipedia page, then we will see that infographics, a clipped compound of information and graphics. A clipped compound of information and graphics. So in an infographic, we have information explained with colorful graphics that can explain your idea, your concept very well. So this is a very simple infographic, very informative, and you can easily understand different routes of metro. We can have some further examples as well. I have opened this website of Infographia. Although this is a commercial website, but you can have some idea from it. Inforgraphia.com. Here you can see that they have a lot of templates for infographics. You may need to have timelines, process, dashboard, charts, tables, agenda, funnels, map, roadmap, key performance indicators, SWOT, comparison, project. You may have so many kind of different slides, illustrations in your presentation. They have very good collection of such infographics slides. So you can choose any of these. Although this is commercial website, but I guess you can have some free material from it as well. If you type free infographics for PowerPoint in Google, you will get big list of so many different websites. Although some of those may be commercial sites, but they can have some free stuff for you as well. For example, I open this smiletemplates.com. smiletemplates.com. Here you can see that there are so many different infographics that you can use in your PowerPoint presentation for the relevant purpose. Whatever you want to express, you may have a relevant infographic that you can use as a single slide in your presentation. You will just download it. Suppose I have this infographic, I can download it. I can open it in MS PowerPoint presentation as a slide. Then I can change the wordings according to my need. There is one more thing on this website, that is free PowerPoint templates. Here you can see you have a lot of templates for making PowerPoint presentations. You can download any of this as a theme for your presentation and start making presentation into that. There is another, so you can see that just change the wording, data, sentences and use according to your need. So there are so many. Even you can click on the next page. There are several pages. You can have so many kind of presentations. Suppose there is some kind of digital stuff, then you can use something like this. If this is an engineering presentation or computer presentation or biological or economical, whatever you like to have. There are a variety of presentations, templates or themes that you can use for your presentations. Next, I have this website graphicmama.com. 35 plus free infographic PowerPoint templates to power your presentation. They are explaining that 15 free infographic PowerPoint templates by HubSpot. You can simply download it. And next, free solutions, other one are commercial solutions. Whenever you see the word .com, in fact it is a commercial website, but they might offer you some free stuff. You can try free stuff. Hopefully it will serve your purpose, or if you have some professional purposes, then you can buy any kind of package from such websites. Modern free PPTX templates of 40 plus slides. These are front pages, agenda slides, breaker slides, tables, chart, funnels, timelines. So there are a variety of infographic slides. You can download them and use. Free infographic PowerPoint templates, free animated business infographic PowerPoint templates. So there are several other resources. Look at this. They are saying that you can have 16:9 ratio that is more suitable for YouTube videos. Presentation Go, this is another website, presentationgo.com. 2 aspect ratios option 4:3 or 16:9. So if I open one of them, that is at slidemodel.com. So you can see that there are variety of infographic templates. You can use any of them according to your need. Free download. Now I have opened businessstats.plus.com. This is another website for you. 25 best free infographic PowerPoint PPT presentation templates for 2020. Why choose a premium PowerPoint infographic template? What is the benefit? They are explaining it. Premium often means that spend money to buy such kind of stuff. Best PowerPoint infographic templates. Infographic PowerPoint, Sante PowerPoint, PowerPoint presentation template vector, startup infographic PowerPoint. So there are a variety of stuff. There are different sites. Social media infographics, more premium infographic templates to download from Graphic River. So you can try such kind of sites. So the summary is that whenever you want to have a very impressive presentation, then use infographics. You can start with free stuff, and I hope for usual students free stuff will be enough for them. And if you are a professional and want to go some steps ahead, then you can buy premium stuff. Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum.